1500 W8 cooking programs, Galanz 0.9 Cu Fort, 1500-watt digital toaster oven with its Bebop blue design can complement your kitchen decor. It offers 8 cooking programs including bake, toast, roast, broil, pizza, dehydrate, keep warm, convection. Easy to clean. Operate. Galanz toaster oven and its accessories are non-stick, so it's very easy to clean. You just need to use a damp cloth for cleaning the exterior and interior part of the unit. It is also convenient for users to set the time and temperature. It comes with control buttons and knob that set the unit's cooking functions. True Convection Cooking Indictor Light. Galanz toaster oven adopts true convection cooking, powerful convection to ensure even toasting and baking. Glass door and indicator light provides better visibility while cooking without opening the door. Adjustable temperature control. Our Galanz retro toaster oven with true convection cooking, and its range between 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It can maintain consistent temperature and minimized temperature fluctuations. Product features. Bebop blue. 90-minute timer. 8 cooking programs, bake, toast, roast, broil, pizza, dehydrate, keep warm, convection. True convection cooking indicator light, timer knob, function knob, thermostat knob. Adjustable temperature 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 12 pizza or 6 slice of toast. Top reviews from the United States. Super cooks, so keep an eye on it. This is a pretty great little toaster oven. Arrived in its original box with no dents, scratches, or dings. It does super cook food. It cooked my pizza in 15 minutes with no preheating. I attached a picture of the pizza. This was the first time I used it, so I was unsure of the settings. I put it on pizza setting at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and ended up pulling it out at the 15-minute mark. It did burn a part of the pizza, the part one had towards the back of the oven. So I don't think it heats evenly, but could be due to first time of use or maybe because I didn't let it preheat any. But the entire pizza was cooked when I pulled it out of the oven and it tasted great. I cooked the pizza on the rack, removed it with an oven mitt, and it slid perfectly onto my cutting board. No sticking to the rack. There was minimal mess to clean up afterwards, literally one crumb. There is a removable metal crumb tray that fits into the bottom of the toaster oven for easy cleaning as well. It does have a little ding noise when it is finished cooking. And it does make noise while cooking, so you will definitely know when it is on. I keep it unplugged when not in use. Specifically because it's a fire hazard to leave appliances plugged in when not in use. But also because this has twist knobs and I don't want the cat husband to accidentally turn it on. Overall, it's a great toaster oven and I would recommend. It is a beautiful aqua sky blue color, does not have a greenish tint.